might notice we've got SAGA branding on a lot of different things here, as far as our Murphy bed, my shirt, all over this truck. A lot of people in the industry actually know us as Reparadise. We used to be Camper Reparadise. SAGA and Reparadise are actually the same company. SAGA has developed out of the idea that we've been doing a lot of R&D and product design in our shop for years, and it was getting confusing as far as part of our shop which was doing all the builds and the install, and part of our departments that were doing design work, product development, and creations. And so we kind of separated them and are now branding anything that we're designing and developing as a product and offering as SAGA. So everything in here that you see is a product of SAGA. Anything that we do that we build and install is something that Reparadise does as a build company and install company. So it's a little confusing as far as having dual branding going on, but we're trying to really promote SAGA right now and the investment that we have into products and really making smart decisions on how things are designed and created and offered for both the DIY and the builder market. So thanks for checking us out, and we'll see you soon.